It's time for the Mommy Room Redo Christmas Tree Roundup. This year, we're featuring 11 sisters showing off their holiday decor, reinforcing the critical role that Black women play in designing homes for the Black family. At the end of this video, we'll tell you how to vote for your fan favorite so that one of these lucky ladies can win a gift card just in time for the holidays. Then, answer a question of the day so that you can win a prize too. And with that, let's get started. Ebony was aiming for a natural yet elegant look with the family room as the main focus. Her colors are mostly silver and white with a pinch of gold. Ornaments were purchased from a variety of retailers, including Southern Decor, Guest & Company, and TMIGifts.com. We see here that the Grinch has taken over Ebony's Christmas tree. But will he also snag your vote? When Gwinnell saw another Facebook member add shoes to her tree, this digital creator decided to step up her game. So she added a beautiful dress, jewelry, and stocked up on shoes from her local retailers. As a result, this Christmas tree is lockstep in this year's fashions. But is it enough to lock in your vote? Carrie has this toy soldier to guard the several Christmas trees throughout her home. Her decor is classic with a few family photos to add that personal touch. Now, she definitely rocked it, but is it enough to rock your vote? Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Alicia is always up for a challenge. So when her niece dared her to decorate a Christmas tree each month, she did. This pink warrior tree was in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month this past October. For Christmas, it's all about the color purple and winning your vote. Georgia is a professional designer, and you can find many of her showcases on Facebook. But she really pulls out the stops during the Christmas season in honor of her daughter, who she lost in a car accident 8 years ago. Will you give this design mom your vote? Tarena is finally enjoying her new home after a year, and it's just delightful. With fun characters and creative accents, Tarena is making her home a winning gathering space. But is it enough to win your vote? Eileen is the mannequin queen. Her biggest splash was in 2018 with this Black Girls Rock Christmas tree. Others followed. In 2021, she created this one in honor of her dad, a naval officer who passed in 2020. This year, she pays homage to the native Indian. How'd she do? Nikita, also known as Lady Fox, got the inspiration for her Christmas tree after seeing this season's box office hit. Thanks to her hubby, it was the first time her family enjoyed a live Christmas tree, so she wanted it to be purposeful and timeless. With the help of Amazon.com, she was able to realize her vision in only 2 days. But do you envision giving her your vote? Eris's Christmas decor is inspired by the birth of Jesus Christ. She carries out this theme with African American ornaments and a Black nativity scene that she purchased from Dillard's. Her decor definitely underscores the reason for the season, but will that be the reason for your vote? Kelly does decorating for a living, and she just loves a Victorian-style Christmas tree. This year, she decided to add candy to it, and the results were sweet. If you have a sweet tooth for this Christmas tree, give Kelly your vote. Zeta loves decorating for the holidays, and she loves church. So, decorating a Christmas tree for her church was something that came naturally and something she enjoyed. When she posted her bold and gold creation on Facebook, the feedback was all good. But is that Christmas tree good enough to get your vote? Noelle is the creative type, and she loves the Christmas season as it celebrates the birth of Christ. She gets her inspiration from magazines, social media, television, and groups like MommyRoomREDO. Has this year's tree inspired your vote? All right, good people. So now it's time to cast your vote. You have to do 3 things. The first thing is like this video. The second thing, subscribe. And of course, put the name of the person you want to vote for down in the comments. We'll let you know the winner next week. And now for our question of the day. Which creator got the inspiration for one of her trees after watching an episode of Black Girls Rock? Insert the name of that creator down in the comments. If you're selected, then you can win a gift card too. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.